Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a car battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, and a battery terminal brush. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set. Safety is key, so wear protective eyewear and gloves throughout the process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by locating the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your wrench to loosen and remove this cable first. Next, move to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, and disconnect it. With both cables disconnected, you can now remove the old battery. Unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in place. Batteries are heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift it carefully to avoid injury. Position the new battery in the tray, making sure it faces the correct way. To connect the new battery, reverse the disconnection order. Start by attaching the positive cable to the positive terminal and tightening it securely. Then, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are snug and resecure the battery hold down. Double-check everything before starting your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.